Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Today we are going to learn how to use seasonal vegetables for a great traditional recipe which delivers your 5 vegetables a day in one go. I'm Victor and today we are learning how to cook Jardiniere de légumes, which is basically mixed vegetables. But it sounds a lot more sophisticated than mixed vegetables. And if you cook it without the bacon, it becomes a vegetarian recipe or even a vegan recipe, which everybody can still enjoy. And there we go, delicious mixed vegetables. I guess we're ready to cook. Let's go! Very few ingredients are needed for this recipe. You will need 4 nice potatoes, 4 or 5 carrots, about 3 or 4 white onions, peas, petits pois, about 400 grams, green beans, about 200 grams, 1 turnip or a parsnip, this is a parsnip, Mange-tout, about 200 grams, a couple of garlic cloves, olive oil, Lardons, about 150 grams, a Bouquet garni made with thyme, rosemary and bay leaf, optional, some chicken stock, also optional, white wine, a glass of white wine, and then salt and pepper. And nothing else. How cool is that? Now the gear! As usual, we will manage that with just a few ultra basic utensils. A chopping board, a big saucepan with a lid, a peeling knife, a sharp knife, a wooden spoon, a slotted spoon, a measuring glass, and a long spoon. And that is it. Now let's get on with the cooking. Peel the garlic. And chop the garlic. Rinse the carrots, then peel the carrots. Once our carrots are peeled, we're going to chop them into small sticks. That's what we want, okay? There you go. Next we rinse the potatoes and we peel the potatoes. Here, potatoes peeled. Since our potatoes are pretty big, we will cut them in half. This one is really big, so a bit of extra cutting for it. Now you rinse the turnip and then you peel the turnip. Turnip is peeled, so we cut it into cubes. We rinse the onions. We get rid of the green end here. And that end too. And now we cut them into lengthwise, like this. We are now going to prepare the chicken stock, so we put our chicken cube in there, some boiling water, about half a liter. on the hob. Turn it on. Then olive oil. Then add the garlic. Add the lardons. Of course, if you're vegetarian, you don't add the lardons, obviously. After a couple of minutes, we add potatoes and the parsnip and the carrots and the onions. We add the bouquet garni, thyme, rosemary, bay leaf. Mix well. Time to season, salt and pepper. Here's the nice option. Now you add the white wine. Don't have to, but I do. Now you add your chicken stock. Of course, again, if you're vegetarian, you can just use water. Just that the chicken stock gives it a little extra flavor. And what you want is to just cover the vegetables. So you may want to add a little extra water so that it's actually covered. Now you bring it to boil. Okay, now it's boiling. So we turn the heat down and we cook it for 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, you rinse your green vegetables and you add them to the mix. So the beans, the mange-tout, and the lovely petit pois. Mix all that. Now we're going to cover and cook for at least another 10 minutes. You have to check, especially the beans, you don't want them to be too al dente. So it could be 10 minutes, it could be up to 20 minutes depending on how much stuff you've got in there. And ta-da! You'll have to taste it just to make sure that especially the beans are properly cooked and tender. Then you will serve it with the slotted spoon. And if at the end you have quite a bit of liquid left in there, don't waste it because that can make quite a nice soup too. Look at that! Oh, I wish you could smell it. It's awesome. Well, let's dig it. Mmm. Oh, gorgeous. Bon appetit. Well, how about that? Of course, you can find all the vegetables for your jardiniere at any time during the year, but your best option is still in the spring when the vegetables are in season. You can have the jardiniere as a side dish with white meat or fish, or indeed as a main course. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on that thumb if you did. Let me know what you think in the comments, and of course, to keep up to date with new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Easy French Cooking, ring that bell, and check out my other videos. Have a good time cooking, keep it up, à bientôt!